Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have this BMW M140i in the workshop for a super common upgrade for these cars. So we're going to be fitting a Wavetrac differential and a PowerFlex differential bush in the rear of this car. We will walk you through the whole process of getting one of these Wavetrac differentials ordered for your car, because we know it can be a little bit confusing if you haven't seen the whole process before. The differential that we're fitting in this car is one that we have actually built in-house already, so we've got it ready to go. The customer just has to bring the car in and we can get it in and out in a single day. So we're going to get the car up in the air, get the old diff removed, and walk you through the installation of the new Wavetrac differential. Okay, so recently in these videos, we've been answering a lot of your guys' frequently asked questions just to try and give you a bit more insight into the products that we fit here in the workshop. Now, obviously today we are focusing on Wavetrac differentials, but instead of answering some questions, I'm going to run you through the process of getting a Wavetrac ordered and fitted for your car. So in this example, we will of course be focusing on a BMW M140i, but this is the same across the board for all platforms, whether you have a Volkswagen Audi product, Mercedes, BMW, any JDM car, the process is exactly the same. So step one, of course, is you guys contacting us and giving us the reg of your vehicle. This will allow us to get the VIN number of your vehicle, which we can then put into PartsLink to find the exact differential for your car. On PartsLink, we can then find the BMW axle number, which will then allow us to find the ratio of your standard differential, which depends on the spec and the exact car that you have. We can then take this axle number and put it into our sheet that we have in-house, which has all of the Wavetrac SKUs on there. This will tell us exactly which Wavetrac you need and all the components that you need to buy with the differential. So the likes of your bearings, seals, and anything else that you may require when having a Wavetrac upgrade. We will then get back in touch with you and find out if you want to supply us an axle or if you want us to source one for you. Now, either way is a perfectly good way to do this. Obviously, we know exactly what we're looking for when it comes to supplying an axle for you. So a lot of people do go down that route because it just saves extra hassle of them trying to source one themselves, get it shipped to us, and then have the upgrade carried out. So then once we have the axle here in-house, it then gets completely torn apart, as you would have seen in some of our videos. And then because the BMW ring gears are welded onto the OEM differentials, it gets sent to a machine shop where that ring gear is machined off and also drilled and tapped, so we can then fit it to the Wavetrac. So while we're waiting for the ring gear to come back from the machine shop, we will take the axle and we will give it a wire brush, a prime, and a paint to make sure it looks brand new for when you receive it. Once the ring gear is then back in-house, we can mate it up to the Wavetrac differential and get everything built up in the freshly painted axle. Once everything is built up, we can check the backlash of the differential just to make sure everything's in spec, and we can also check that all the gear meshing is looking exactly as it should and that the axle will perform as expected in your car. After this, we are ready to either ship the axle back out to you wherever you are in the world. We ship worldwide, or you can bring your car down here to us and we will be able to fit your Wavetrac in-house in a day. So while it seems like a bit of a complicated process to start with, it's actually quite simple in the grand scheme of things. The most important thing is you guys getting in touch with us and giving us your reg number, and then we can work from there, because we know that it is quite confusing looking through all the different SKUs that Wavetrac offers. Now, if you already know exactly which Wavetrac you need, you can buy it on shop.regalautosport.com, and if you sign up to Club Regal, you'll get an extra 5% off your first online order. So now that we have the entire process all mapped out, let's get back to the video, get the Wavetrac in the M140i, and let the customer enjoy it. Okay, so we have the Wavetrac fitted to this M140i now. We're going to get the car back to the customer this afternoon, and we will try and get some feedback from them and let you know exactly what they think of this upgrade. Now, we have done loads of these M140i's in the past, and it's a platform that we are super familiar with. We also fit loads of them in the likes of the M2s, M240i's, M3s, M4s, loads of different options. So if you want a Wavetrac differential for your car, hit us up at shop.regalautosport.com and we will be able to get you sorted with your very own Wavetrac. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do have any other questions regarding the Wavetrac upgrades, please do get in touch either via the comments or on regalautosport.com and we'll be happy to assist you. See you next time.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.